Now student, here you see we can find the area and height of tank. So here you see this is we know that volume is equal to area multiplied by height. So for circle area is equal to pi by 4 d square. So we know that the value of pi is 3.14, and we also find the total area and the diameter. Now in next step we will find the diameter for tank. So d is equal to area multiplied by 4, 0.14 whole under root. So we use this formula. Now here we see if the height, we can change the height of tank in equal to 6 feet, then our diameter is 1.54. If we change this into 6 feet, 5.51. If height of tank is 6 feet, then diameter of tank is 5.5. so I can change the height into 7 feet, and now the diameter of tank we can say that 5 feet. So as we know that total water consumption in liter per day is equal to, we will multiply 135 total number of person multiply by usage per consumption per day. So we will get this into 4.4050 liter, and then we convert this value into water in consumption in gallon, and then we can multiply. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 0.264 gallon. So we multiply this value, and then we get total water consumption in gallons. Now here we can change the size of tank. So now first of all we can select this tank, then we can select this edit type option, and here we see the total consumption in gallon how much is. Approximately we can say that 1000 gallon. So here we can write, select this tank of having size of 1000 gallon. So we assume here the tank height for 1000 gallon is 11 feet above height, and for diameter is 4 inches. Now we can change the size of our tank. Select this. So we use this tank, but this tank is very high, so we will again edit this tank, and now from our calculation we select the height of tank is 7 feet, and its dia is increase the, we will reduce the height of tank and then increase the diameter of tank. So here we reduce this tank height into 7 feet and diameter change into 5 feet, and then select OK. So this is our tank, and now we will select this level 4, and we move this tank in here. Now if you want to rotate, then simply select this tank and select a space option from your keyboard.